So aside from all the other challenges that you have to get through in the video, like, I don't know, my voice, my face, other things, there's 16 pairs of sneakers we have to get through in this thing. So let's hop to it. What is good, YouTube? I'm not gonna talk with my hands because that's just awkward. I'd rather just hold 2 coffee cups or like, I don't know, whatever normal people do, because no one in their right mind talks like this. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can also subscribe if you really want to. You don't have to though. And you can like, you can dislike, you can comment, you can do whatever you feel like, because I just want you to be yourself. Hello, pals. Just like last week, I did a buyout. This is a $1,000, completely shipped $1,000 buyout from another person on Familia. Good old Meaty. He's based in Michigan, so it took like a day to get here. And it's just a bunch of older Jordans and stuff that he just didn't feel like cleaning or anything. So I bought them from him for a grand. So 16 pairs at a grand is pretty good. So there's a lot of shoes in here. Let's hop to it. There's a couple, I put a couple in like replacement boxes. Let's do this one first. So first up, we got a size 8. This is the 2017 version of the FOAMPOSITE 1 copper. These are in pretty good shape. They just have no box. There's no heel drags. There's just a little bit of discoloration and some stuff we got to clean up. So size 8, FOAMPOSITE 1 copper. Or is it pro? I don't know. I'm not from the DMV. I think I know about FOAMPOSITEs. Hey, that shoe, other shoes in this box. Hey, this pair and the other pairs in this video are going to be available today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. SBMitch.com. Nice to have my mic back. The only ADIDAS in the entire box. It's a size 11 Solar Hue NMD. It's a Pharrell Williams collaboration. These are worn, but here it is. Yep, it's a trail NMD. They got this big chunky sole. Pretty cool. They're in good shape. Just kind of a wild colorway, so can't really complain. Size 11. Pharrell Williams Hue NMD. Cool. Box is in okay shape too. God, I'm gonna run out of room so fast. A lot of grade school pairs in this box too. This is a replacement box. But we have a size 4.5 youth, 72 and 10 Jordan 11. It's in good shape. It's got some outsole discoloration and a little bit of dirt that needs to be cleaned up. The insoles are pretty decent. You can see the stickers. Nah, maybe you can't see it. But I mean, it's a kid's shoe. If kids are going back to school, which I'm not here to discuss that. This might be all right. So 4.5 youth, Jordan 11, 72 and 10, no box, but I have a replacement box for them. Got a size 4 youth Nike Little POSITE 1 Premium. These are the New York Knicks Little POSITE 1. These are super lightly worn. I kind of dig this colorway. I just like orange though, but you can see the bottoms are a little discolored and barely worn. Very nice colorway. Especially if you're a Knicks fan. They do not have insoles, so that's a little bit of a downer. But yeah, it's got the box, just like any other FOAMPOSITE box. The lid has seen better days. So 4 youth Little POSITE Knicks. Let's see. I think all the rest are men's sizing. Got a couple of size 11 SPIZIKEs up here. This first one is, I think, the True Blue Jordan SPIZIKE in a size 11. It's worn. Doesn't look like there's any paint cracking, but it's an older pair. Yeah, there's a little bit of paint cracking on the heel right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I mean, it's a SPIZIKE. Nothing really to say about it. It's a cool, kind of out there colorway. So it's a size 11. Still good shape. It's got the original box. The box is damaged. The other SPIZIKE we got is significantly more worn, as in there's more midsole paint issues. But this is, I want to say, the fire red SPIZIKE. It's a SPIZIKE. Nothing really I can say about it. I mean, a lot of people love this model. I don't blame them. It's kind of wild. So this just needs a quick paint job. So fire red SPIZIKE, I think. There's gonna be so many boxes in here. Let's see. Next up, this is a good one. This is a size 12. It is worn, just like every other pair in here. I don't know why I'm saying worn, but it's the maroon 6. It's in good shape. It's got not much creasing, a little bit of dirt on the outsole, so I can clean that up. The insoles are in pretty decent shape, but overall, shoe's good. The box is okay shape too. This is a really nice colorway. I know a lot of people love this 6, so lace locks there too, so can't really complain. This was one of the pairs that I kind of put a check mark next to when I bought this collection from this dude. So there you go. Size 12, Jordan 6 maroon. I think that was like 2015. Got a couple pairs of 20s. You can see by the Wi-Fi signal on the box. These are the Stealth 20s. These are worn, but man, are they in really great shape. There you go. It's got all the interesting stuff that comes with the box. Oh, can't really complain. I think these are the OG. They did retro these once, but what size was this? Size 10. Stealth 20s. Very cool. Original box and all. I think there's another 20 here. Size 9.5, another Jordan 20. I don't know what the colorway is called, but it's like a white, black, and red kind of colorway. I don't know if it has any kind of special nickname, but the strap has all this really cool details on it. I mean, there's the hand. There's, you can see Mars Blackman is on there. The black cat. It's just such a cool concept. 20s are severely slept on, in my opinion. There you go. We have this weird strap. That's the only thing. Size 9.5. Jordan 20. This is an OG pair too. So they came out in what, 2006 or 5? I don't really know. All right. This is a replacement box. I know that because this is one of my old boxes. But we have a size 10.5 pair. Very clean Jordan 2. This is the Wing It 2s. It's just a black and white Jordan 2. It's in really great shape. These are from pretty recent, so I think these are from like 2016 maybe. So you can see on the heel it says Wing It. Yeah, these are in great shape, just no box. Can't really complain. There you go. Size 10.5. Wing It 2s. I don't even know. Yeah, we're more than halfway through. This is the last FOAMPOSITE in the bunch. Got a size 11 Air FOAMPOSITE 1. These are the, I want to say, these are the eggplant FOAMPOSITE ones, right? But these are insanely clean. They are worn, but you can see the bottoms are in great shape. They've got this like kind of iridescence going on with the upper, but it's the eggplant colorway. This was seemed like it was super anticipated when it released, but just didn't do anything afterwards. So there you go, size 11. Very good condition. Probably the best condition out of all the shoes in this buyout. 5 more. These are all really, really good ones in my opinion. First pair out is a size 11 in really nice shape in my opinion. This is the Black Tongue, so it's the 2008 Jordan 5 in the fire red colorway. I love this shoe. I'm not a huge fan of 5s. It's just a classic shoe, and for being so old, this pair is in really, really great shape. There's just outsole discoloration. There's just outsole discoloration, some cage discoloration, and there's some scuffs here too, but I can definitely get rid of those. That'll be pretty easy to do. I'll probably put an after picture up anyway. But yeah, these are in really nice shape. There you go, size 11, fire red 5s from 2008, whatever year they came out. We got a size 8.5. Similar condition, the other ones are in a little bit better condition. You can see there's some creasing and there's some wear going on, some stuff on the bottom, a little bit more insole wear, but again, very cool colorway. Got the 23 on the heel right there, so very cool. Fire Reds is the only 3 in the box. If it was a size 11, I would highly consider keeping. It's a size 10.5 though. This is probably one of the most slept on 3 colorways I've ever experienced. I've always had an affinity for this pair, but just never wore them or never got them. It's got the hang tag, so that's very awesome. This is the Infrared 23 Air Jordan 3s. I really, really like the combination of this colorway. I think it's simple, but it's still diverse enough to where it doesn't bore me, I guess you could say. It is an older pair, so there is some discoloration on the mudguard there, or the toe cap, whatever you call it. Really nice shape though. It's got the inserts. You can see the Jumpman is fully in there too. So it's 10.5. Very good size, very nice shoe. I don't think there's any paint issues on here. I'd have to take a closer look, but 10.5. Infrared 3. 2 more. There's no like money shoe in this lot, but they're all very good shoes in my opinion. Size 9.5, Jordan 5. I really like this colorway, even though I'm not a fan of green. You just don't see this very often. And these are in really great shape too. It's the Green Bean 5s. A lot of people love this colorway. Upper's in pretty good shape. The outsole is in really great shape, just a little bit of discoloration. Cages too, but there are lace locks. There's some hardly any wear on the insole. I mean, whoever had these first took care of them. We got ourselves a retro card too, so cannot complain. Box is a little beat up, but size 9.5. Green Bean 5s. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. This is the last pair. What is this? It's a size 7.5, Jordan 12. It's not really a great size, but came out in 2009. They're in pretty okay shape. These are the Rising Sun 12s. These are, I mean, there's some discoloration on the patent, which is going to happen for an over 10-year-old shoe. But otherwise, they're in pretty good shape, and they should clean up really nicely. Got the insoles here too, so you cannot complain. There's a retro card in there as well. So that's the last shoe of this $1,000 buyout. 7.5 Rising Sun Jordan 12s. So dang, we got a lot of shoes here. So I paid $1,000 for them. Let's take a look at the market value and see if there's potential profit going on here. I like getting this was a really good buyout in my opinion. I think that older Jordans have just done really well for me, so that's my personal opinion. But yeah, thanks again, Mr. Meaty. I appreciate it. If you're interested in any of these shoes, I'm gonna clean them up. 16 pairs is a lot to clean up, but I'm gonna do my best to get them up on the website today by 6. That website, sbmitch.com, which is my name, .commercial. Well, my actual name is Mitchell. Don't go to mitchell.com though. I don't even know where it takes you. So, hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We think we have boxes next week, so we'll be back to normal. Till next time, take care of each other. Remember to make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.